Well, hello and welcome to Over the Vast Nurseries on a busy and very beautiful morning in early autumn. And here on the nursery, where we grow lots of really good plants, ones that are particularly selected for our conditions here in the Northeast and Mid-Atlantic states, I'm delighted to be able to bring to you today some lovely ornamental grasses that you might like to think about growing in areas around your home. And if you're interested in finding out more about them and all the other plants that we grow in the nursery, can I suggest that you click and subscribe to this channel, and then each time we post a new video you'll be first in line to see all of the beautiful things that you might want to consider growing in your home. And when speaking about ornamental grasses, let me show you one of the most popular varieties that we grow. This is the fountain grass, or Pennisetum alopecuroides is the botanical name. And this is really a nice time to look at it, because as you see, not only does it have these very attractive bottle brush like flowers that move so beautifully in the breeze and glisten now in the early morning sunlight, but also, as you see, the fine narrow arching habit of grass foliage is just starting to take on a little bit of autumn color. So you're beginning to see now some of the lovely golden beige color that you get from this very nice arching habit. Here's a plant that's hardy to zone 5, only gets to about 3 to 4 foot high, and is really very easy to grow. All it wants is a sunny or partially shaded site in an average garden soil. Just as long as it's got decent drainage, you should find that this will grow out and really put on a lovely and very long-lasting display. As I look down this bed of plants here, I have to tell you that these have been flowering now for at least 4, maybe 5 weeks. And as you see, they're still going to go strong really for several weeks yet. Now that means that this is an excellent plant to put in a bed or a border, which certainly looks spectacular if you're able to put it in large drifts, kind of like we have it here. But also it would be a very nice candidate for you to consider putting into displays in containers and pots around your home. A beautiful plant that you could use for decorating around the front door, on patios or decks, or basically anywhere that could do with a bit of a lift of color and interest, and also this lovely tranquil movement that you get from the plants. It's also a plant that you could use as a cut flower too arrangement. These little spiky flower heads that are soft to the touch look very nice put into a floral arrangement. So if you're looking for really a good, hardy, reliable, easy to grow grass, then let me introduce you to Pennisetum alopecuroides, or commonly known as the fountain grass.